out here, the family. Beautiful day. You know, 65 degrees, perfect day for the dogs, man. We did it again, and we're gonna do it bigger and better every year. Yeah, tap in with us, man. From Xotic Pet Supplies to Xotic Pet Supplies. It's all about the community. It's all about the kids, man.
We love our pets, whether it's dogs, cats, goats, horses, or pigs. However, a lot of times we don't think about what happens with our pets if we're not able to take care of them. That's why you need to think about your pet's estate plan. What happens to Mittens if you're not able to take care of her? Here's the solution. Call Damon Jennings at 931-302-0760. Discuss your no-cost pet estate plan today.
Hey, what's up? I'm just posting about Taste of Clarksville. You know me, man. Got to get the word out. Getting my post scheduled, making sure that everybody knows that we're going to be at the Foy Center on the campus of Austin Peay on July 27th from noon to 5 p.m. We got a Taste of Clarksville going on that day. It's a great day for you to bring the whole family out. Probably about 20 or 30 food trucks. Probably about 40 other vendors selling food, caterers, bakers, home cooks, a little bit of everything out there. We'll have best wings, best fries, best meat and three. That's a Clarksville staple, right? Best fish plate, best vegan food. Man, that's my favorite, right? There's lots of different vendors who've been with us for our first 3 years. They're coming back for our fourth year, and we'll have new vendors as well. If you would like to be one of those vendors, go to the link in our bio on Instagram or on Facebook and register today. And we'll send you an invoice and we'll get you taken care of. If you got questions, man, reach out to us again through Instagram or Facebook. Man, just reach out and call us, 931-302-9494. But we definitely want to see about 2,000 to 2,500 of you on July 27th from noon to 5 at the Foy Center on the campus of Austin Peay State University. Great.